Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make old tires look brand new. So all you're gonna need is rags, some Varsol, and some tire polish.
I know you guys are dying to see who's under the mask and who was that motorbike rider in the last video. Well,
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
Guys, this is a 2008 Yamaha R6. The Tacoma's out.
It's gone.
So this is my ride right now. It's a lot cheaper on gas and I like it because it's fast.
Let's look at this. Yellow racing stripes. Look at that. The yellow rims.
Yep.
Is that an aftermarket exhaust I see?
It sure is. Shorty Cat Delete. So she sounds pretty nice.
And she pollutes the environment.
But it's a bike, so nobody cares. Well, I have to go to work. So I'll see you later. But first, let's see what this thing sounds like.
Wow. The mystery is solved. The mysterious biker unmasked. Alrighty guys, so Handy Dan, he's gone. So I got carbon fiber Cora here to help me out. And he's gonna he's Carbon fiber Cora here. And yeah, we're gonna clean up some white walls, show you how it's done. Alright, let's see what we got hiding in the trunk here.
Oh my gosh, mate, what have you got here?
Oh my goodness, look at these white walls.
Gorgeous.
Wow.
Gorgeous.
They look a little bit dirty, but we got some stuff for that. Alright guys, so we got the tires all lined up, ready to go. Now, the first step.
Alright guys, so this is Varsol. It's very similar along the lines of paint thinner, so please don't try this at home. We are untrained professionals, and let's see what it does.
This is only the first step. Wow.
So, as you can see, first step done. Already looking pretty good. Now on to the next one.
Alright guys, so step 2, we got some of this foaming tire polish stuff. I've never used this before, but hopefully it'll just make it that much better.
Alright.
Alright, let's give this a shot. Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas morning. Careful. Foam, eh?
Yep.
Kinda interesting. Let's let that sit. See what it does.
Ow!
Okay guys, these tires look amazing. I think that tire foam, I missed a couple spots, but I think I'm just gonna run it one more time and these are gonna look even better.
After we applied a second go around of the tire foam, it looks even better.
Step 3, we're just gonna hose them off.
On to step 4.
Alright, step 4, we gotta clean up the white wall. And we got SOS pads to do that. I mean, the tires look great, but the white wall, that's the key. So with the tire now wet, is go around with this SOS pad. Might take you a couple rounds, but once it's done, it's gonna look white as snow. Alright, so it leaves this blue residue. So what we do is we just spray that all off. Oh my goodness, that looks really good. So now we just gotta put them on the Volvo and see how it looks.
Wow.
Well, as you can see, we got the white walls on and they look so much better than it did before. It just really sets it off, you know? Well, I'm pretty satisfied. Yep, it's true. White walls make everything better. Alright, you have the results right there. Look at that.
Shiny.
Yeah, we took old tires and we made them look less old.
Which is lovely.
Now, yeah, and they look amazing on the car.
I know you guys are dying. Wait, I have to disguise my voice.
I know you guys are dying.